Hi everyone, this is Mike for Mercury Team. Mercury Team is the world's leading website template for affiliate marketers. It's built for affiliates by affiliates. Today, we are going to show you how to use the old pros and cons feature in Mercury Team. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content and updates. Okay, let's get into it. So we are currently on my WordPress dashboard. To edit the pros and cons feature, then we can go to appearance and customize, and then go to ACES settings, and then CPT settings, so we can enable the old pros and cons for organization like casinos, and then we can save it, and then we can go to casino and then edit one of the casino items there. So as you can see, we use short codes now for pros and cons already, but some customer is requesting to use the old pros and cons. So we make a picture for that as well, so we can use the old pros and cons. So let's test it. This item one, and then we can just copy and paste it. And then we can do this with the cons field. Copy and then paste it, and then change the item numbers. And then after that, we can save it, the page, we can save the page. Let's view. So you can see the old pros and cons is already there. We use the short code and the old pros and cons. Do you need some help with anything for Mercury Team? Please drop us a comment below. Thanks.